Let's check out these very affordable water guns over here. So you can purchase these on sites like Temu, AliExpress and probably other places as well. And personally I paid around $2 for each of these. So we have this like short version and also this longer version which comes in two parts. So when it comes to the listing pictures, they definitely look totally different than in real life essentially, and obviously they do not look as good basically in the real life as they look in those listings. First, this tall guy, essentially, if you look those pictures, it appears it's like meant for washing cars, and it's like basically some kind of super high pressure gun. So, but it's very far from that actually. First, this trigger, I would say it's absolute garbage really. So it's very hard to press, and again, so the travel basically on the trigger is very short, and again, it's very hard to control anything. And also the spray pattern on this it's not very good essentially. By the way, if you're wondering if these are metals and nope, these are simply painted plastic parts. In the listings I thought that this is actually like metal, I thought, so it must have been like basically decent if it's metal, but again this is all plastic, so that's painted to look essentially like metal essentially over here. Okay, wait, I think this part actually over here is metal, so this tip over here on this one. Yeah, this definitely is some kind of metal, but again, this part is not metal, so it's simply painted like plastic essentially. And also, what happens with this is this one particularly leaks, so I have dried them off and I'm going to return them because, in my opinion, they're complete junk, and you can purchase better water guns in your local stores for pretty much the same amount of money. So the trigger, yeah, it's absolute joke on it. It also leaks basically in place, and also the spray pattern, again, it's not very premium essentially. But again, for $2, again, if you are very desperate, I guess, okay. So still personally, I'm going to return this, as I think it's like junk basically, and I can purchase better basically my local shop basically. I was simply too lazy to go to my local shop essentially. So when it comes to this smaller guy, this is maybe tiny bit better, but again, I suppose they're from the same manufacturer really. First, the trigger is slightly better on this one actually, so also it's maybe, I'm not sure if it's larger, but definitely when you actually use it, it's slightly better. We get more control, and yeah, definitely this is better over here. Also, the spray pattern also I think is tiny bit better on this small guy. Again, this is all plastic over here. We have the O-ring here as well, but again, when it comes to leaks, again, it's obviously not perfect. So what this is I have no idea. Some kind of decoration basically to fool that this is like super high quality unit. But again, so for $2, maybe this one acceptable really if it doesn't leaks and does the job, so can't really complain about this price. This one I think even $2 it's not worth it. This if you're very desperate and still want it, I guess. Okay. Oh, also when you press these, you can also lock these in place, so that's also cool. But again, I simply wish these were like simply larger and also provided better travel basically. So, and can I actually recommend these? So probably not. So probably just go to your local shop and purchase, where you can see basically them, yeah, in real life and how they look like. For $2 again, maybe again, if you are desperate, maybe okay. But yeah, I just wanted to show that these, the actual quality of these, and again, they do not look basically what they look in those listing pictures. Anyway, good luck.